In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for screenshot analysis. This is a quick way to understand information, identify details, or explain what's shown in a screenshot. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll choose the option to upload a file or image. Now I'll select the screenshot from my computer that I want Claude to analyze. Once the screenshot uploads, it will appear in the chat message area. Next, I'll click inside the message box and type a prompt such as, "Analyze this screenshot and explain what it shows." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will examine the screenshot and generate a response describing the content and key details visible in the image. If I want more specific information, I can ask Claude to identify elements, summarize the information, or explain specific parts of the screenshot. Once the analysis is generated, I can copy the information and use it for notes, documentation, or troubleshooting. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to analyze a screenshot. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.